Hey guys, what's up? Yo yo yo. Today we're diving into some real talk, some science talk about something super important, our brains, especially those of our little ones. We all know kids are little sponges, soaking up everything around them. But did you know some things we do, even unintentionally, can impact their brain development? Buckle up, 'cause we're about to unpack 7 things that might not seem like a big deal, but can actually have a big impact on a kid's growing mind. Number 1, constant criticism. Ouch. Imagine this. You're trying your best, painting a masterpiece, or at least a stick figure masterpiece, and everyone just keeps pointing out what you're doing wrong. Not fun, right? Well, that's kinda what constant criticism does to a kid's brain. It puts them in a constant stress mode, which floods their system with cortisol, a stress hormone that can actually harm brain development. Plus, it chips away at their confidence and makes them afraid to try new things. So, instead of criticizing every little misstep, let's focus on encouragement and helping them learn from mistakes. High fives for effort, people. Number 2, sugar rush. Crash repeat. Not cool. We all love a sweet treat now and then, but when it comes to kids, going overboard on sugary drinks and snacks can be a recipe for disaster. Here's the science. Sugar messes with the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for learning and memory. Too much of it can make it hard for kids to focus, remember things, and even control their emotions. So, let's ditch the sugary sodas and candy mountains, and opt for healthier options like fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Their brains and their dentist will thank us for it. Number 3, skipping breakfast. Big mistake. Think of your brain as a car. Breakfast is like putting gas in the tank. Without it, that car ain't going anywhere. The same goes for kids. Skipping breakfast means their brains don't have the fuel they need to concentrate, learn, and be their awesome selves. It can also lead to mood swings and crankiness. Trust me, you don't want hangry kids around. So fuel those little noggins with a balanced breakfast, even if it's just some fruit and yogurt on the go. Their brains and your sanity will appreciate it. Number 4, sleepless nights. Not ideal. We all know the struggle of catching those z's, but for kids, sleep is even more crucial. While they're snoozing, their brains are busy building new connections, solidifying memories, and basically doing all the cool stuff that helps them grow and learn. When they don't get enough sleep, it's like their brains are running on low battery. They have trouble focusing. Their emotions are all over the place, and learning becomes a struggle. So, create a relaxing bedtime routine. Limit screen time before bed, and make sure those little ones get their beauty sleep. Number 5, sleeping under the covers. Not quite. While cozying up under the covers might feel nice, it can actually disrupt a kid's sleep. Why? Because when they breathe in exhaled air, it can lead to higher levels of carbon dioxide, which messes with their sleep quality. This can make them wake up feeling groggy and grumpy, impacting their mood and energy levels throughout the day. So, while snuggles are great, maybe keep the covers off their faces while they sleep. Sweet dreams. Number 6, posture problems. Remember that time your mom reminded you to sit up straight? Turns out, she wasn't just nagging. Good posture is important for everyone, but especially for kids whose bodies are still growing. When they slouch or hunch, it can restrict blood flow to the brain, which means less oxygen and nutrients getting delivered. This can make it harder for them to focus, learn, and even participate in physical activities. So, gentle reminders about good posture can go a long way in helping their brains and backs thrive. Number 7, couch potato life. Not the best. We all love to chill and relax. But for kids, physical activity is super important for brain development. Exercise helps increase blood flow to the brain, which delivers oxygen and nutrients, and also helps create new brain cells. So, ditch the screen time and get those kids moving. Whether it's playing outside, joining a sport, or even just dancing around the living room, getting their bodies active is key to keeping their brains healthy and happy. Alright, so there you have it, folks. 7 things, seemingly small, that can actually have a big impact on a child's brain development. Remember, every kid is different, and what works for one might not work for another. But by being mindful of these factors and creating a supportive environment, we can help our little ones grow into happy, healthy, and brainy individuals. And hey, don't forget, this isn't just about them. By raising healthy, confident kids, we're creating a brighter future for all of us. So, let's spread the word, share this info, and keep those amazing brains growing. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and remember, little changes can make a big difference.